It is that time of the year again. It is going to be Valentine's Day and Chinese New Year. Time to wear red. And because of this season, I am going to make something red. Stay tuned until the end of this video clip. Don't forget to click that subscribe button before we continue. The drink that I'm going to make today is a coffee drink, and it's going to be red velvet latte. For the ingredients, I am going to use my 100% Arabica single origin coffee beans from Chiangrai in northern Thailand, courtesy of Arabia Coffee. And for the red velvet, I'm going to use my red velvet mix here. If you don't have a red velvet powder like this one, you can also use a combination of beetroot powder, 100% beetroot, mix it with some cocoa powder, and you should get a red velvet mix. And also for my milk, I'm going to use fresh milk. For my sweetener, I'm going to use my milk syrup, which is a combination of sweetened condensed milk and evaporated milk. This time I'm going to make it less sweet, so I'm going to make 1 part evaporated milk and 1 part condensed milk, and I make them into my milk syrup. If you'd like it to be sweeter, you can follow my recipe for 2 parts condensed milk and 1 part evaporated milk. I'm going to make the drink in 16-ounce cup glass here. First, we are going to pull our espresso shots. For this, I'm going to use 18 grams of coffee beans, and I'm going to pull a double shot of espresso, so 60 grams out. Let's go ahead and assemble our drink. Use 1 scoop or about 4 teaspoons of my red velvet powder into my measuring cup here, and then I'm going to add my sweetener, which is milk syrup. I need about 45 to 2 ounces. I don't want it to be too sweet, so I'm going to add just 45 ml, but the full recipe should be 2 ounces. And then I'm going to add my milk. So for the milk, I'm going to add 1/2 cup. So that's 60 and another 60 ml. I'm using here a powder stirrer, which helps in making sure that the powder will be fully dissolved in the cold milk. And now let's assemble the drink into our serving cup. So this is our red velvet latte in 16 ounces glass. So you have your beautiful red velvet mix there and your espresso shots on top. There you go, very easy to make red velvet latte. Perfect for Valentine's Day. This is basically similar to your mocha, because red velvet in my mix here is like very chocolatey, and so it is just like kind of like a red mocha. You have heard of white chocolate mocha, you have a dark chocolate mocha, and this is red mocha. That is an absolute treat. Delicious. Wow, I love that. Happy Valentine's Day, everyone. For the recipes for 12 ounces and 22 ounces, I'm going to put them in the description box below, so make sure you check it out. If you have any questions or any suggestions at all for my future video tutorials, do let me know in the comment below. I'll see you again for more of these video clips. In the meantime, don't forget to click that subscribe button. Also check out my books, All Things Milk Tea and the Basic Barista. Details on how to order in the description box below. I'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching. Ciao for now.